Forex market, ladies and gentlemen, back in your life. Dollar Swiss franc is under the microscope today. We want to dial back to the beginning just to get you the full picture. Just in case you forgot, we took action about a week ago as price action began to turn around. Right here, we called it out for a potential turning point. Ever since then, we're chasing that move very successfully, I might add. We're closing in on target. We designated right from the get-go 99.41 as our profit target and final destination. It's a big resistance level. And as you can see, right now, we're having $20,000 position. We already took some profit, but we're back on loading up and at this point, since the positive momentum is off the charts. We still don't have a heavy position in place, just in case there's going to be a technical correction, because you would expect one, right? I mean, last 10 days, price action is hammering, and the chance for a technical correction is growing. I can easily see a situation where price action will do something like this, go for a bit of a dive, just to test that big level at actually two levels. In this case, is going to act as a support area, 96.70. Pick that support level and go back to the original upside move, finish up the job hitting that 99.41 and possibly go beyond, chasing the previous highs. I'm pretty confident that that's the case, to be honest. So we're thinking it's heading towards 1, the mighty psychological level of 1, right? But we're going to be very much satisfied just with hitting the resistance level that sits right here at 99.41, and we'll see from there. I mean, let's get there and see how see what we're going to do from there. But for now, guys, we're definitely preparing to embrace a technical correction. But if we're not going to have that, price action will just keep hammering even better. We're still going to hit the target of 20K. We're not going to be disappointed about it, right? Stop loss level, we keep it at 96, which is fairly far away from price action right now, but you can probably imagine why. I just mentioned the possibility for an aggressive, deep downside correction. We want to be able to absorb that correction, believe it or not, just to be able to double down if that happens, right? It's a big if. If it happens, we'll be able to double down, keep the position alive, double down, and knock the position up to 50K once price action begins to resume the original upside move. Hope that makes sense. But that's pretty much what I had to say about the situation here. Dollar Swiss franc looking sharp at this point. There's no doubt about that. Let's see if it can keep up that pace all the way to the next resistance. That's about that for this one. Moving on to the next. See you there.